Today I share with you how to make Nigerian fried rice without frying nothing. Let me show you how this is being done. To begin, I'm going to be needing already washed rice, that is basmati rice. Next, I'm going to season that with Maggi seasoning, curry powder and salt to taste. Next, I'm going to be adding this pepper mix, onions and hot pepper, then adding chicken stock. Next, I'm going to be adding is this green beans. So adding water that will enable this to get cooked for just 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to stir that together. So you have to make sure that this is the exact water that will enable the rice to get cooked for 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm going to cover that to cook for 10 minutes. So next I'm going to do is to prepare the vegetables. So over here I have carrot, green beans. Then the same time I'm going to be needing this sweet corn. So add that, then add in this green bell pepper. So that is green and red bell pepper. So add the same seasoning, that is curry powder, salt to taste and Maggi cube. So what I do now is to add in this oil. So stir that together. So guys, this is the right time to share this video. This is going to be the best and the easiest fried rice you ever see or eat. It's so delicious, like the outcome is massive. It was so nice to get try. So what I do now is to stir everything together until I have something like this. So back to the rice. At this point it cooks so nice and it's scenting so amazing. All I do now is to turn in the vegetable on top of the rice like this. My people, you don't need to fry anything. Like what you do now is to use your spoon to stir that together, like stir it so that you are going to cover it. You don't need to add any water, you don't need to add anything. So what you do now is to cover that with foil paper. So that heat is going to be the one to fry your vegetable and cook your vegetable, and everything is going to come out amazing like this. Oh my gosh, just give this 5 minutes with medium heat. Look at your rice now. 5 minutes later, this is what we have at this point. Oh my god, this is something so amazing. The rice, the vegetable, everything is so crunchy. Like, oh my gosh, I can't get enough of this rice. It was so simple to make and it's everything you need to eat. Oh my god, so this is me stirring that together. I just like how this gets cooked. Everything come out so perfect. So this is the right time you have to try this for your family. This is one of the food you have to serve your family this Christmas season. They are going to appreciate you because this time you don't need to stress yourself in the kitchen. This one is one of the simple fried rice you can easily get done for them. It's so amazing. Look at that. My people, they eat this rice, they be like say, you never chop since this woman. It was sweet now, like it was sweet. Everything go well, like everything go well on this. The meat stock I use, the seasoning, the process I used to get this to make the food to look perfect. I just love every bit of this rice, like every bit of it is so amazing. Look at that. I get that served with this fried chicken, and my people, oh, you need to test this with me. Like, you need to test this. That's why I have to share this video. Follow this process to make fried rice for your family. It's not going to stress you and it's going to be perfect fried rice so far. In my next one, all you got to do is to share. Look at me eating this rice as if I never chopped for 10 days. It was sweet. I love you. Bye.